We have a problem here. A student at the university level is forced to pay $1,200 annually in textbooks. And last year, inflation rates rose 82% on those costs of textbooks. Now that creates a huge problem for students that want to have the ability to go to a university and afford the necessary textbooks that they need in order to succeed. Statistics will show you that if you don't have the necessary text available to you, your likelihood of succeeding in a class falters down astronomically. When you're looking at the impact it has in our ecosystem and our environment, it's very difficult to actually recycle printed text. So a lot of those textbooks that you see, those 400-page textbooks, those 500-page textbooks, are really ending up in the same places that our fast food burgers and fries are landing in the same place at the landfills, and that's doing terrible things to both our ecosystem. And you look at what the timber industry, the impact it has on those ecosystems, that they're cutting down a lot of trees in places like the Amazon forest. Something needs to be done to create ability through affordability in the spectrum and the niche market of textbook purchasing by university students. EcoText is a company made up of both current UNH students and UNH alumni, as well as it has advisors on staff that have UNH as their alma mater. EcoText is a company looking to be a market disruptor. And why we categorize ourselves as a market disruptor, because it's changing the way students would thus purchase textbooks from the traditional way students would purchase textbooks. Traditionally, we would go down to a place like Durham Book Exchange and purchase our textbooks from a handler in affiliation with the university. However, through EcoText, every student can download the application via their iOS or Android devices onto their tablets or iPhones and computer laptops, and be able to get their textbooks straight from providers on the back end, downloaded straight to their Android and tablets and iPhones. And again, that reinforces our ability to be sustainable and our mission to also be sustainable. But at the same time, this looks to drive down the cost from that $1,200 a semester by building the cost embedded into the tuition for the students at $200 per semester, by collaborating with the providers of the textbooks on the back end and also the university to provide them with the application opportunity for their students. So through SVIC, we believe that we would have the ability to enhance our development and provide this beta test to professors and students at an increased rate. And our plan is to have it ready to go by next semester. And we believe that winning SVIC here at the University of New Hampshire would increase that development and would enhance our marriage here at the University of New Hampshire, and to say that UNH was our flagship and first school as a homegrown UNH company to adopt our software and create that opportunity through affordability.